This video will help you and print the category of body mass index, also called as BMI. First, we will understand what is body mass index. Body mass index is a ratio of weight to height square. This height, which is used in the formula, should be in meters. Hence, whenever you get the input from the user in centimeters, it has to be converted to meters. So, you have to calculate the approximate metric height, which is height by 100. Then, your BMI is calculated using weight by metric height into metric height. You can either use this or you can use your power function, which is available in math.h library. After calculating the BMI, you have to find which category the person belongs to. So this is the chart of BMI. So if the BMI value is less than 50, the person belongs to the starvation category. If the value is between 15.1 and 17.5, it is anorexic category, and so on. So in order to display the category, we have to use if conditions, multiple if conditions. Like if the BMI value is less than 50, print the category starvation. Else if, you can give the next condition, and so on. So you will be having multiple else if statements as here. So let us see how the coding looks like. So this is the coding. So I have defined variables height and weight, and your metric height and BMI is declared as float. You are reading the input of height and weight from the user. After reading the value of height and weight, you calculate the metric height, which is nothing but height by 100. This is converted into float for accurate processing. Then the BMI is nothing but the ratio of your weight and your metric height square. You can either use metric into metric or your power of that variable, 2. So this function, power function, is a function whose definition is available in the math.h library. So whatever variable we give here, separated with a comma and a value, that power will be calculated. For example, if I give power of x, 3, x cube will be calculated. Here we want metric square. So I am giving power of metric height, 2. So it will calculate the square. So at the end, after this line is being executed, you will have the BMI value. So based on the chart that I have already displayed, you have to find the category. So we are using multiple if statements. So if BMI value is less than 50, you are printing the starvation. Else if it is less than 17.5, the range is between 15.1 and 17.5, it is anorexic. If it is between 17.6 and 18.5, it is underweight. If it is between 18.6 and 24.9, it is ideal. And if it is between 25 and 29.9, it is going to be overweight. Or else if the value is greater than 30, it is going to be morbidly obese. So this is how you will be using multiple if statements in order to print the BMI category. Let us check with the test cases. So again I am using cc filename.c with -lm because we have used the math.h header file. If I am giving the height of the person as 150 centimeters and weight as 78, definitely he is going to be obese. Yes, let me check with some other input. If I am giving 150 as the height of the person and 50 as the weight, he is going to be an ideal weight person. So this is how you have to use your multiple if, okay, your else if statements, multiple if statements, in order to have various conditions to be checked. If you have various conditions to be checked, you will be using your multiple if statements.